Thanks for visiting Mo County, Texas $1 Million Homes. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another episode of Mo County $1 Million Homes. This is Freddie Palomares, your host. Today we're at another incredible home at 28326 Lazy Rock Drive. Now, this Texas estate is over 3 acres and has everything that you want in a Texas house. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, now we're in the house. Now this living room is huge. Not only is it big, it's luxurious. So we have wood scraped, hardwood floors. We have the wood crown molding throughout. This is a great place for friends and family to gather. Not only this living room space, but back behind me is the kitchen, which is also a great feature of the home. Guys, I have to show you this kitchen. This kitchen is incredible. One of the best features of this kitchen is the storage capacity. Now you'll notice this is a 14-foot ceiling. Okay, we have cabinets from the floor all the way to the very top, which gives you incredible space. Now, a lot of these are closed cabinetry, which is great, but a lot of it's open. If you want to display some of your fine china, this is the right spot. Now, if you look behind me, you will see the Thermador appliances. So you have a huge built-in Thermador refrigerator and also a stainless steel Thermador 6 burner. So if you have your steaks, if you have your 48 hamburgers that you gotta cook, boom, you're able to do it quickly. Now you're gonna do that on this big granite piece right here. So this granite piece is gonna be one of the main features of the home. The best part about this kitchen though, is that it faces the outdoor resort pool. Guys, this home has 3 fireplaces, 1, 2, and your third in your master bedroom. How cool is that? You're gonna have that own lit fire in your bedroom for those cool nights. You guys have to check out this master bath. It is insane. So you have a deep jacuzzi tub, you have an incredible walk-through shower, you have your own sauna, and you have the most incredible, biggest master closet I have ever seen. Let's take a look. We may be in Huffman, Texas, but this is clearly a Hollywood caliber closet.